In this recording, I'm going to show you how to create a set of folders and files for your work that you'll do for the digital photography class. You can use the principles that I show you here and the methods in any thing that you do on the computer as far as storage goes. But at any rate, we'll start by going to the Start button here and then going to Documents. And this opens up your document library. Now, when you go to using Windows 7, when you go into here, there's this where you have all this library stuff right here, and this is kind of has shortcuts to the different items that you have. But you'll notice over here, I have on the computer, I have local disk C. If you're using a school computer, it will also show an S drive and an M drive. Your M drive is where you should keep your documents for this class, especially if you're going to be moving from one computer to another, one district computer to another. If you want to take your things home, there's another way to handle that. Now you have to, I apologize for the audio quality of this. I'm having to use this computer's built-in speaker. I'm home and I don't have a quality microphone to do this, so please bear with me. Well, over here in the computer, you should choose the M drive. I'm just going to pretend like this is the M drive right here for me, and I do have an M drive also as a teacher. Now we're going to create a new folder. So the fastest way to do this in this window right here is to right click. I just right clicked with my mouse button. I'm going down to here, New, and Folder. And I want you to create a, mine says that I have I can't do it on right here. So I'm going to go a different path. I'm going to go into my user, so disregard that. All right, so I'm going to go into this folder, and I'm going to create a new folder. Most of you should have a button right up here that says New Folder. So I'm going to go New Folder, and I'm going to call it Digital Photography. And you should all make a folder called Digital Photography that you put in the root level of your M drive. That means in the first, it should show when you first open your M drive. Then I'm going to go in here and open up my Digital Photography folder. And you're going to have several projects that you're going to do. One of them will be to make an InDesign project. So you're going to learn 3 programs in this class. You're going to learn Adobe Bridge, Photoshop, and InDesign. And so you're going to make an InDesign folder inside your digital photography folder. Then we're going to make a new folder by just clicking on New Folder, and we're going to make a Pictures folder. So whenever you take pictures, you're going to enter them into this folder right here. You're going to download them to this folder. So I'm going to double click on my Pictures folder. I'm going to make a new folder, and I'm going to put Aperture Priority. Those of you who were in class a couple of days ago will remember that we took a series of pictures in Aperture Priority. I'm going to give you assignment, which I'll write in the assignment that accompanies this video, of what to do with those pictures. You're going to have to get the cameras and the cards to be able to do this, the memory cards. That's all I'm going to show you right here for now. But just so you know, whenever you do create folders, you can see the path to your folder. Notice my path is Users, MP Nelson. That's me. That's where my folders are. And then in the Digital Photography folder, let me go to Users, and you can see all those things right there, MP Nelson. And then we can see Digital Photography, and then we see the folders that we created. And inside Pictures, there's another one. So you can keep putting folder in folder, but I would recommend that you think of your hard drive and where you save your materials as a file cabinet, and you can put files in a file cabinet, and then you can put lots of documents in a folder. I mean, you can create folders, then you can put folders in folders, then you can put files in folders, and so that you can do lots. You can do a lot more with it digitally than you can physically. That's all I have for this video. There will be another one soon.